I have no contact with my parents and some of my extended relatives. And my husband also has no contact with his parents and much of his extended family. And we don't talk about it a lot because it's a controversial issue, for one thing. But the other reason is because so few people are willing to take the time to understand what led to that decision. We went no contact with my husband's family about 5 years ago. And it wasn't a decision we took lightly. And it took me personally over 15 years of being in regular contact with his family and of building a life together with my husband before I finally recognized that that was the only option we had. This is the experience we had, and I'm sharing it in the hopes that others who have had to make this decision or maybe considering it will know that somebody else gets it and that they're not alone in making this really hard decision for their families.